birthday, Meng!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Meng!
Oh, naway continually maging faithful kay God and enjoy every moment.
I can't believe you're 50. That's amazing. You look wonderful. Just like you're 25. So congratulations and have a great, great day and celebration. We love you guys. Love you.
Happy birthday, Meng. Greetings from the Green Years here in Daan, Bantayan. Di ko talaga makakalimutan yung ministry, Rizal Ministry. Ang daming itinuro si God dyan. Dami kong experiences. Nandyan yung mga best friends ko talaga.
Hi Ming, happy 50th birthday. Golden girl ka na talaga. But kidding aside, happy birthday. We miss you and Odi. In regards to your family, I hope that ma-enjoy mo talaga yung 50 more years. In addition to your 50 years, that you will still enjoy 50 more years.
Happy 50th birthday.
Hi, Meng. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung life mo. Stay beautiful, stay happy, and we're always here for you and your family. We love you. Happy birthday again.
Kasi napaka-hardworking mo and sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. And most especially din sa pag-aalaga sa amin ni Kuya, sa pagising sa umaga. Kasi if di lang po kayo aware, kami po ni Kuya, matanda na po kami. 17, 22, 21. Pero kahit ganun po, gumigising po si Mami ng 4 a.m. po para paglutuan kami ng baon.
Sweet mommy.
So, ayun po. Sobrang appreciate ko lang din po si Mami pagdating po sa mga bagay na